Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can invent your own Discord bot. So all what you need is you have to go to the Google, and when Google opens you have to write the Discord developer. You have to go to this category. Now you have to write in the search line the Discord developer and go to the first line. Then you have to sign in. For example, I have been already signed, so that's why when you will sign in, you will the site after automatically will take you to this site, and then you have to go the applications category. Then as you can see, I have already the FATX bot. I called it I want to say that I had right now I have a bot. So now we're gonna go to the new application. You press it, you give a name, and here's a warn. Are you a game dev? We may already have your application dev, and reach out the dev support for more information. Alright, it's just for the game support. So here in this category you have to give some name to your bot and press the create button. When you will create the button, you will come to this site, and here you will have these decisions. So in this category you have to go to the bot, as you can see here, and then you're gonna be able to select your image for your bot and something else. Then you have to press the administrator. So just swap down with a mouse and press the administrator. Then you will have here the 8 permissions there. Look, that's all. And copy these permission. Then all what you need to do is alright guys, so now you have to go a little bit up and to the bot category and press learn more about bot users. Then you will be able to go to this site, and as you can see, scroll a little bit down and you will see URL example. Just copy it just like this and press it, open the new tab and press it to this line, and don't press enter. So look, so here you will see the one number. You have to change it to the 8. Why 8? So if you remember, we give the permission, and when we give administration permission, the permission integer equals to the 8. So that's why you have to give to the you have to change this one number to the 8. Then in this ID, what is it? This ID, you have to go back to the bot, press it, and then go up and no, I'm sorry, you go into the general information, going a little bit up, and you can see the application ID. Press the copy and you will see the copied. Then go back to this website and just paste this ID, just copy this ID number, only number. If you will just copy the other attribute, you can have some problems, and you have to just press this the paste button is a Control V, and Control C is you can use for copying something. Then you press the enter, and here, and this page will show you will help you to authorize your bot. As you can see, my bot is authorized right now. And now what you have to do, you have to go to the Discord, open the new server, then come to this place. As you can see, my server is equals to the ICRAM. So by the way, it's my name. Alright, then you have to verify it, then your bot is ready. Then you're going out from this, you just closing all this stuff. Then what we're gonna do, create one folder in desktop, call it wherever you want, but for comfortability I call this folder Discord bot. We're inventing here just a simple text document, and let's call it change the format to the pie. Alright, just I'm going to change the name of this, and put the Discord underline bot. That's great. So then I'm not gonna open it with normal Python. I'm gonna open it with PyCharm community, because this is the best tool for working with Python. It opened a lot of opportunities for you. You can learn with this PyCharm. You make any mistake, and there you will be able to press the lamp button and learn about some program and go forward. So here you will see the, if you're following the steps which I'm following right now, you will see this line, and you have to say open in project. Choose the folder, press OK, and wait. It's gonna take about 50 seconds. It will depend on your computer CPU, computer video card. So here you have to choose the Python interpreter. So I'm gonna choose the Python 3.6. That's great, and you have to let just a little while, let it to install the all imports. As you can see, it's installing the packages, being ready, and what does that mean? Does that mean that if you had the projects before, you open a new one, you installing the packages, a lot of libraries, and the interpreter is remember that. And when you open the new page, the interpreter asks you to choose one interpreter. You can choose your own, and this is not going to be effective, because in effective you have all libraries, but in interpreter which you invented, you will never have some libraries. Alright, so my console looks like ready. So what are we gonna do nextly? So now you're gonna go to the library. All you need to import this stuff, then go back to the Python, press the paste, and here's the thing. If you didn't install the Discord, you have to go to the PyCharm terminal, and you have to write here pip install Discord. So I have already installed it, so it's gonna show that the requirement already satisfied. So that's why and I want to add, if you want to install this, you have to have internet connection. As you can see, requirement already satisfied. That's all. Alright, now we're gonna write our code. So what we need, first of all, we have to invent the bot command. What did that mean? I'm gonna just write for example, how we write a equals to the input and put some values and working on it. But this situation, I'm gonna choose the bot name. Bot equals to the commands dot. It's gonna be bot. Alright, and here we're gonna write the command prefix. What did that mean? Command prefix underline. No, I'm sorry, just so alright, I got my problem. So problem is that we have to put underline here, and let's write prefix equals to the nothing. Just I will tell you why you have to keep it nothing. So I'm gonna change the bot, make it big. So I'm gonna give a, that means that I'm giving in a bot section, I'm open the commands bot. What did that mean? I'll show you. But before showing what did that mean, I want to talk about why we're gonna leave this category just free, not without nothing, because when you're writing something, you have to put the same attribute every time. But you have to write it this section. Why? Because you're gonna give a comment to the bot, and when you are giving the comment to the bot, and we will write the comment prefix is equals to the none, then it's not gonna be able to work. So I'm gonna explain you in it while we're gonna work, and you will understand me. This is a very simple bot, which you can invent too. So what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna press the comma, then write. Then there I'm writing description. Description equals, what is description? Description is your bot name. So, for example, in my situation, I'm gonna call it bot. All right, just bot. That's all. So, and don't forget put the sign and write inside it bot. That's all. That's great. So that means my Discord bot is gonna, Discord name is gonna look like bot. Then you're gonna press enter. So then what we're gonna do is press the shift 2 and put at comment at bot. I'm sorry, bot. The comment. At bot comment is gonna equal to the. Alright, so at bot dot comment, we're gonna put this line. Okay, so here we're gonna write what we're gonna write. Alright, so we're gonna write A S Y and C def and the value which you want to give. For example, if I will give here hello and we'll press this, let's close it. So what did that mean? I will explain you. And here, all right, I just pasted my program, I wrote it, so I'm gonna explain you right now. So you write AC and C def hello, and here you write a CX inside of this sign, because that means that this CX is gonna support the await CX that sent hey. So what does that mean? If you will write in Discord hello, while your bot is activated, it's gonna say you hey, but nothing is gonna work for now. Why? Because we didn't write the chief part of our program. So you can write a lot of comments. You can just repeat it, copy it, paste it, and write bot dot comment, I don't know, def hello, and make it more better, and you can even sell it for money. So this project is best project in our channel. So now what you're gonna do is write at bot dot events. All right, so then you're gonna write ACY and C def on ready underline. You can write just like ready. All right, I'm gonna write like this. So then we're gonna press enter and write await bot dot change presence. All right, so here you're gonna write the activity equals to the Discord dot streaming. Alright, so what does that mean? Why Discord command is working, you will ask yourself. As you can see, we imported the Discord file which support this Discord. As you can see, I'm pressing here and Discord is taking to the, as a sign. As you can see, look at the color, Discord. So that means we import this Discord, and from this Discord we import the commands. That's all. So then you're gonna write name we're gonna write the name equals to the, for example, I'm gonna write put these signs and write, I don't know, Mike, for example. I love this name. So, and URL, if you have some URLs, you can just add it here. But in my case, I'm gonna write no, I don't have a URLs. So you can add and you can just pass it. So then you print bot online. So what does that mean actually? That means if you, you know, turning on your bot, you will see in the screen that your bot is online, and that means that everything is very clear. So let's just check what happened right now. Okay, so we got some problem is that we forget to write bot run dot run, and inside this run we're gonna write all right, so inside of this bot run we're gonna write your token. How you gonna get the token? You go into the Google again, right here, Discord developer, the first, choosing the first line, then you go into the applications, your bot. You will see here your bot. So then you go into the bot section. Here you have you will see the copy. If you can't copy your token, it's okay, just put the resend token. In my case, I'm not gonna do that because I have a professional bot which established on my private token. And then you press the copy the token, you press you put the token here, then you press the start button. So I'm gonna just copy my token. Alright guys, so I had the one problem is that we're pressing the run button and we again see some problem, and we're gonna and I found my problem is that I put these two signs right here. You mustn't put the sign in event. So if now I'm gonna press the run button, I will see, come on. So we're waiting for it. Okay guys, so if now I will press the run button, just wait for 5 seconds, alright? So then go to the Discord. Alright, I'm going to the FATX bot right now. Then I'm writing the help. I'm sorry, we didn't give a help company, not company, command. We wrote the hello. Press enter. And alright, so we got some problem again. It's okay. Oh, as you can see, that was internet problem. Yeah, we got internet problem. And as you can see, the bot say hey, and in the future you can add lots of comments. You can put a calculator or YouTube, everything you can put to your bot. Make it professional, and even you can sell it for money for someone. So I think it was a very good video for you, because in this video you got the opportunity to you know, not only write a program to earn money, you can just write this program and get a profit from this program. And I guess you loved it, and you can share my video with your friends and support me. Press the subscribe button, like button, and stay with me. Okay guys, goodbye. And before stopping the video, I want to say, if you have some problem with your computers, or if you have some unsolvable problem which you think, you can write in comment down below, and I'm always ready to help you to solve these problems. Alright guys, goodbye, bye bye, see you later.